My name is Luke Elijah. Thank you very much for watching this video. Beside me is my mother, Marilyn, and she's going to be my sous chef today. Say hello.
Hi everyone.
Right, my mother has been cooking since she was just 4 years old, so she has a lot of experience in the kitchen. And because my mother was such a good cook, I didn't really bother to learn cooking myself until at a later age in my adult life. And so the both of us are certified culinary chefs. Myself, I studied in 8 different culinary schools in Singapore and around the world. And I've learned to bake and cook different sorts of international cuisines. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to prepare breakfast smoothie bowls. And as you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? It's the first meal that we take, and it's the one that's supposed to be the biggest. We're supposed to eat like a king, right? And fill our stomachs with good nutrients so that we have energy, vitality, and zest for the rest of the day to do our various activities. And these smoothie bowls are very, very easy to make, right? These bowls do not take more than 5 to 10 minutes, right? Most of it is just preparation time. And what I enjoy is that, you know, it's actually mostly raw, right? None of it's cooked. And because of that, right, you're ingesting full nutrients, energy from the sun, right? Food, and this raw food makes you eat less, and you get full with less quantity. So we're going to make 2 versions of smoothie bowls today. My mom will do the pink dragon fruit bowl, and I will do the spirulina bowl. How we create the base for these bowls is we simply place yogurt or almond milk, right, into a food processor, and we chop out pink dragon fruit, which is a tropical fruit. If you can't get it in your country, you can substitute it with any other fruits. It could be mango, could be bananas, avocado, kiwis, any thick chunky fruit. All right, so banana is a good choice, and sometimes even with the pink dragon fruit, I will mix it with avocado and mix banana in just to create a very chunky, thick consistency. So what I like about the pink dragon fruit is it produces this very beautiful pink color, right? That's very appetizing and pleasing to the eye, and it also has a very subtle sweet taste. Okay, so kids love it. This is so brilliant, right? And for the other bowl, right, if you prefer not such a sweet taste, you prefer a slightly salty, savory taste, you could use spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green microalgae that is one of the superfoods. It's so rich and dense and in nutrients. Basically one of the most nutrient-dense food that we can find on planet Earth. And we can find it either in powder form, which is very, very easy to process, or in frozen form like this, which you have to thaw first, and then, you know, pour in the liquid into the food processor and blend it with the yogurt. It could be coconut yogurt. It doesn't have to be dairy yogurt, depending whether you're lactose intolerant or whether you're vegan or vegetarian. And then you can add in a tad bit of manuka honey in, all right, if you prefer a slightly sweeter taste. Okay, you could even use stevia or any other natural sweeteners. It's up to you. Okay, and so once you blend it to a very thick consistency in this bowl, right? This bowl is actually good enough for 2 servings, but if you have a very big appetite, you know, then you know what that 1 bowl would be enough. And what we do is we add toppings with decorations of different various seeds, nuts, fruits, and we try to use seasonal fruits or what's in and available in the markets at the time. So I usually like to create a rainbow color because it's very aesthetically pleasing, and because I bit like color therapy, you're healing all your chakras from your root all the way to your crown. So my mom is going to start by placing and decorating and plating the pink dragon fruit smoothie bowl with different fruits. Mom, please. Right. So she'll start with the red, which in this case could be pomegranate. Sometimes I use pomegranate, but right now we're going to use strawberries. Okay, so we will just have to simply slice up and chop up a couple of strawberries into very beautiful thin slices, and then we place it on top on the right side. All right. Okay, and then she'll go on to the orange, which is the papaya. Papaya slices. Papaya is a very nutrient-dense tropical fruit. The most nutrient-dense fruit known to man is the avocado, but you know, papayas and guavas are very high up in its nutritional value as well. All right. Okay, and then next up we have the mango. Everyone loves mango, right? It's such a sweet nectarine, sweet nectar kind of a taste. You know, it's very very invigorating. It's one of my favorite fruits for sure. All right. Okay, next up we have banana. Bananas are rich in potassium. It's good for your hair, right? They make you full fast as well. They make a very good smoothie consistency. And then we have kiwi fruit. Okay, almost done. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is just going to put a little bit of blueberries in the spaces in between. Okay, yums. I'm going to help myself to one. Alright, what I like to do is I like to sprinkle a little bit of fresh coconut flakes on top. Just on top. Yeah. Alright, and then you have a very healthy, tasty fruit breakfast bowl. Okay, right, it's all done, and now I'm going to demonstrate how I would top this spirulina bowl. Usually I use mueslis or nuts. In this case here I have like chopped almonds, chopped peanuts, pecans, walnuts, raisins. And so we're going to add in the nuts, right? So any kind of muesli grains will do as well, just a little bit. Sprinkling it on top. So I get my daily dose of a palmful of nuts, right? And nuts are very, as you know, very nutritious. And what I'll do is add a little bit of grapes in. Okay. And I also will add some coconut. And because it's lychee season, right? It's a seasonal fruit. I'm just gonna add pieces of lychee on top. Alright. And then we add a sprig of parsley, English parsley on top, or mint, just to give it a nice plating decoration. And if you like, you can even put in some bee pollen, which is very good for your health. And it sweetens the entire bowl as well. Alright? So you're really only limited by your imagination what toppings you put, right? It could be dried apricots, dried figs, raisins, and any other kind of fruits that you enjoy that is available in the market and is in season and is fresh. Alright? So this is how you make your breakfast bowls, and they're so tasty. It's all raw, right? You're gonna get the full nutrients, the full goodness and bounty of Mother Nature and Mother Earth, and it's gonna fill your stomach. You can even skip lunch. You're gonna fill your stomach for almost the rest of the day, all right? And you're gonna get all your nutritional needs, and it's inexpensive and quick to do it, and that's why we like it, all right? Thank you for watching this video. This is my mom Marilyn, and I'm Luke Elijah. Stay tuned for more useful tips and cooking demonstrations in other future videos. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.